Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. This video is going to be a delight for all the car lovers and enthusiasts. Today we have with us the 8th generation Honda Accord, which was introduced in India in 2008. I will give you a detailed review and specification putting this car up for sale. Please be tuned to the videos. Going to be a very interesting video. So when it comes to the exterior of this car was always very famous when it comes to the exteriors. This 8th generation of Honda Accord has been redesigned with bold and charismatic looks to capture the heart and soul of every car lover. This sedan segment vehicle is visibly more sophisticated than ever before. The exteriors are far better than its earlier version. The long stretch headlights with bold tough lines along with the hood make it look more aggressive. The Honda logo in the chrome proudly sits in the middle of the car. The car has front fog lamps located specially designed in the 3D slots. This Accord comes with body colored OVRMs and chrome finished door handles. The alloy wheel increase the style quotient of the car. Meanwhile, you can check out the chrome garnish on the car before we go to the rear profile of the car. So when it comes to the rear side, the rear profile, it has bold tail lights with embossed tile design. Honda Accord has always been a premium segment car with capacity of 5. I will open the engine bay and the boot space for you guys to see. Let us open the engine bay and see what is under the hood of this machine. Here I am opening the engine bay, which is a hydraulic controlled engine bay. This Accord comes with 2.4 liter engine with 177 bhp 4 cylinder with an automatic transmission. The motor is DOHC IV Tech with PGM FI, which is programmed fuel injection system. It gives a very good performance. I will open the boot of the car for you. So here we go inside to check and open the boot space. This is a button to open the boot space. If you pull it, the boot will open. If you push it, the petrol lid will open. So we are opening the boot right now. So here the boot opens. It is a massive boot, comes with a lot of space and obviously comes with a full size spare wheel, which is not a Mac wheel though, it is a normal wheel. Let me give you a quick and detailed review of the interior of the car. With the interior of the car, this is a dual beige and wooden interior finish. These are the control for power windows. This is a steel silver chrome handle. Here you get Accord badging over here. You have a recliner seat, electronically adjustable seat over here, which was back then in 2007 was a very big deal, and this car has always been way ahead of its time. You can check the interiors as well. This is a leather finish interior. Guys, here we are inside the Honda Accord. The quality of this cabin is brilliant. There is a roomy interior. It gives a sense of openness when sitting inside this car. Even when stuck in the traffic jam, this is the car key. You can see this is to lock the button, this is to open the boot, and this is to unlock the car. So here we'll put the key inside the car and we'll turn the ignition on. And here we start the engine and the engine comes to life. The engine is very calm and composed in terms of the noise. Here you get a very busy console over here. There are a lot of buttons. It is very congested. Basically these buttons are all for air conditioning and these buttons are for music player installed on this car. So when it comes to the steering of the car, the steering is very big and feels very premium and heavy. The only thing missing is again steering mounted controls. The steering also has paddle shifters over here. You can zoom and see. These are paddle shifters over here. This is an automatic variant. when you drive into sports mode, you can use this paddle shifters. So coming to the instrument cluster of this car, here you get a temperature gauge, here you get a tachometer, here you get a small display which shows which gear you are in. Currently we are into the P mode, which is why it shows the P mode, the speedometer, and comes with a trip meter. So here you have a small display which is currently dated, because back then in 2008 it was a black and white display. This car is a automatic car. This is an automatic car. You have a 6-speed automatic transmission over here. I like how Honda has detailed this car. Even the gear knobs comes with a premium leather feeling. The steering comes with a leather feeling. This has a lot of storage space, as you can see over here. Over here it has a storage space. Here you get a lighter. Here there is a storage space. Here there is a storage space. So basically this cabin is very luxurious and very roomy when it comes to space. It's a very premium feeling cabin. This beige color and wooden interiors add on to the richness in the car. So I'll give you a quick drive of the car to explain you the features and handling and the engine performance of the car. Guys, here we are going for a drive in the 8th generation Honda Accord. Here I put it into the D mode, and here it goes. The car has a 2.4 liter VTEC engine which produces 177 bhp at 6500 rpm and 222 Newton meter of torque at 4300 rpm. So this is basically a typical VTEC engine where the tachometer is always ahead of the speedometer. When you go at the higher revs, the more you go at the higher revs, the more the car rewards you. Typical VTEC feeling the car gives. I miss the manual gearbox on this car though, but this automatic gearbox is also nice. It comes with the sport mode. You can shift it with the paddle shifters over here. Coming forward to the suspension and braking of this car, the suspension are very smooth and handles the car very nice. Here there is a turn coming. I'll show you the steering of the car. See how well the car corners, and the steering is so smooth, it is unbelievable. When it comes to the braking system of this car, the car has a front and rear all 4-wheel disc brake installed in this car, which helps to decelerate the car very easily. So basically this car is very nice when it comes to performance and engine. When it comes to the only con in this car is the fuel economy of this car. It is a fuel guzzler. It drinks petrol like Pepsi, trust me. But if you are looking for a car which is of a cheaper price, this is the best car you can get. You can take this car and install the CNG. Otherwise, the enthusiasts can use it on petrol. They don't mind. However, it delivers a mileage of 8 km per liter in the city and around 10 to 11 km per liter on the highway. This is the reason why this Accord could not be established in the market. However, it was a very hot cake though when it was launched. The only thing I missed from Honda is that they should have launched this Accord in a diesel variant as well. Though nonetheless, this was a very hot cake and is always a hot cake in the Indian market. It is loved by all the enthusiasts, and people who love this car have another type of fan following. So this car is very well maintained by the Parsi owner. As you can see, the car was previously owned by a Parsi owner. He has kept the car very nicely. This car is in absolutely mint condition. You can check all the interiors and exterior as well. There is no work in the car. However, if you are interested in this car, you can please let us know. And this car comes with a warranty of 2 years for the seat covers, which was originally installed from Honda by the previous owner. Coming towards the maintenance cost of the car, people have this feeling that Accord is high on maintenance, but trust me, I have 3 years of user experience of Honda cars. It is a very reliable car, and it is the parts of the car are not on the expensive side, and people believe that this was discontinued in 2011 and parts are no more available right now. That is not the case. Parts are easily available. It's not expensive, not cheap though. So whoever is interested in this car can please give us an inquiry on YouTube and please let us know. Thank you so much. This was all about the Honda Accord 8th generation. I hope you liked it. This car is a very nice, comfortable, stylish, luxurious, and comes with high performance engine. The car has been maintained very nicely by the previous owner. I request you to contact me in case of any type of inquiry. Please like the channel, like the video, share the video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Shifa Motors at Instagram, shifa.motors. The description is mentioned below.